Hello everyone, this is the Koko eating bananas question. In this question, we have to return the minimum integer k such that she can eat all the bananas within the HRs, where k is the bananas per eating speed of Koko. There are n piles of bananas. The ith pile has the piles of I bananas, and the guards have gone and will come back in HRs. So basically, we have to guess the minimum value of k for which Koko can eat all the bananas within the given time period. So let's take a case where Coco decides to eat 6 bananas in an hour, but as we can see that there are only 3 bananas present in the first pile, so she will eat these 3 bananas and will not eat any other banana in this hour, which means she will not jump to the next pile for this hour and will rest for this hour. This information is given over here. Like if the piles has less than k bananas, she eats all of them instead and will not eat any more bananas during this hour. So let's take a case where Coco eats 3 bananas and find out how much time she will take to eat all of these bananas. Okay, so for the first hour she will eat the 3 bananas, and the number of bananas left in the first pile would be 0, and the time taken by her to eat these 3 bananas would be 1. Now she will jump to the next pile where she will eat 3 bananas and will take 1 hour, but now the number of bananas left here is 3. So to eat these 3 bananas, she will take another hour, and she will jump to the next pile. In the next pile there are 7 bananas, so she will eat first 3 bananas, and now the 4 bananas would be left here. To eat these 4 bananas, she will take another hour, and now the number of bananas left here is 1. To eat this 1 banana, she will take 1 hour. And now in the next pile there are 11 bananas, from which she will eat 3 bananas in an hour, and the number of bananas left over here would be 8. Now she will eat next 3 bananas, and the number of bananas left here would be 5. She will eat another 3 bananas, and the number of bananas left here would be 2, and then she will eat these left 2 bananas. Now let's find the time taken by her to eat all of the bananas with the speed of 3 bananas in an hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So time taken by her is 10 hours, which is more than the given time. So this simply means that we have to increase the value of k, because as we will increase the value of k, h would decrease. So let's take another case where Coco eats like 5 bananas in an hour. Coco eats 5 bananas in an hour. Okay, so if she will eat 5 bananas in an hour, but there are only 3 bananas present, so she will take 1 hour to eat these 3 bananas and wouldn't do anything in this hour. Now she will jump to the next pile where she will eat 5 bananas in an hour, and the number of bananas left over here would be 1. Now she will eat this 1 bananas in an hour. Now she will jump to another pile, and here are 7 bananas, so she will eat first 5 bananas in an hour, and the number of bananas left here would be 2. So she will take another hour to eat these 2 bananas. Now she will jump to the next and the last pile where she would eat 5 bananas in an hour. 6 bananas would left over here, and from these 6 bananas she will eat 5 bananas in an hour, and then the number of bananas left here would be 1, and now she will eat this left 1 banana. So in this case she take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. So this might be a possible answer, but we have to find the minimum value of k for which she can eat all of these bananas in the given time period. So here we will decrease the value of k and see if we can get an answer. So now we take the value of k as 4. So she will eat 3 bananas in an hour. For the next pile she will eat first 4 bananas in an hour, and the number of bananas left here would be 2. She will eat these 2 bananas in another hour. She will jump to the next pile where she will eat first 4 bananas in an hour, and the number of bananas left here would be 3, and she will eat these 3 bananas in another hour. And for the last pile she will eat 4 bananas in a R, and then 7 bananas would be left, out of which she will eat another 4 bananas in another R, and then 3 bananas would be left over here, and she will eat these 3 bananas in a R. So the number of R's would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. As we have seen that the answer was not coming for 3 bananas, so there is no point to check uh, below the value of k, below the value of 4. So what we are going to do is we are going to take an array from 1 to the maximum value present in this array, which is 11. Because our k would lie between this range only, the minimum banana she can eat in a R is 1 and the maximum banana she can eat in a R is 11. And we will apply binary search over here, and for the value of mid we will find suppose from 1 to 11, what will be the mid? Mid would be 1 plus 11 divided by 2, which is 6. We will find the number of R, we will set the value of k to be 6, and we will find the number of R's for this value. Let me explain this code once. So what we are basically doing is we are passing the we are passing the array piles and the R h in a function which is called binary search, and here we are taking the start as 1 because the minimum banana she can eat is 1, and we are setting end as integer dot max value because here we are given that the nums of I can be up to the power 10 to the power 9. So that's why we are setting this end as integer dot max value, and we are running a while loop where start is less than end, and we are finding the mid, and after we find the mid we are passing it to the another function to find the number of R's taken by her to finish all the bananas with the speed of k, which is this with the speed of mid. And if we are finding that the time taken by her is greater than the given time, we are reducing our, like, we are increasing the value of k by moving our start to mid plus 1. And if we find that the time taken by her is less than equals to the given time, we are reducing our search space by setting the value of end as mid minus 1. And to find the number of hours taken by Koko to eat all the bananas uh, with the speed of k bananas per hour, what we are doing is we are iterating through the array, and suppose for this case we have k as 3, so we are dividing it by the piles of I, and we are storing the quotient and adding it to the hours, and we are checking if, like, piles of I mod 3, like first this one 3 mod 3 which is greater than 0, so we won't be adding extra 1 to this, but like in this case 7 mod 2 7 mod 3 is not equals to 0, so we are adding another. Why we are doing this is because, like, for 7 bananas she will eat first 3 bananas in R, then 4 bananas will left, and then she will eat these 3 bananas from these, and then and 1 bananas were left. So in this whole process to eat 7 bananas, she is actually taking 3 bananas. So we will get 7 divided by 3 2 over here, and because 7 mod 3 is not equal to 0, we will add another 1 hour to it, which would give us 3 hours. So this is the code of the question. Submitting the code. This is the actual code. Now submitting this code. Submitted 22 milliseconds, faster than 58.51% of Java solution.